Drop.
Oh my god. Ugh. Ugh. Ay, ay, ay.
Oh! And one more here. Is manipulate it. Give me your arm. You okay?
Yeah.
Good. Lay on your back.
Do you get all the cracks in? Like, does it show up?
The mechanics of the foot. We'll start with the drop. Good.
That was tense.
Take a deep breath. The dog. Okay, lie down straight.
Take a deep breath in. Blow it all the way out. Wow.
Holy shit.
Right, a lot of things popping and cracking.
Здесь крестец вправляется таким образом. Расслабились. Еще раз. Нет, я держу, ты расслабься. Хорошо.
छोड़ेंगे उसको सांस लेंगे छोड़ेंगे 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 रिलैक्स
And we're going to take this right again. There we go. Good. Now what I want you to do, keep your hand firm here. I want you to sit your head up, like a chin to chest kind of. Yeah, like that. Good. Breathe out.
Oh man. That felt good. मैम सांस लेंगे मैम छोड़ देंगे लूज करेंगे शरीर लूज
So I'm going to adjust that segment right here.
Okay.
All right. And you're a little nervous, right?
I'm nervous, yeah, because it's just tight in general.
Your hair's a little caught up.
Here, there we go.
That's good. All right. Right there. Can you feel what I'm talking about?
Yes.
That little. Okay. Well. Good.
Oh, that was easier than I thought.
And look. Bring, yep, that arm up. Bring your other arm up here for me. Good. Gonna rotate it like this. Look over the shoulder for me. Ooh. Oh.
There it goes.
Нет.
Облокачивайся на правую сторону голову. И жесть.
छोड़ेंगे लूज करेंगे मैम
Perfect. Perfect.
Okay.
Right there. Oh my goodness. I'm right here on the left side.
Got it.
That's crazy. Yeah, I can never crack my own neck anymore.
It's nice to have somebody else do it. Mm-hmm. I wish I could adjust myself. Alright, so same thing. I'm just gonna fall into this hand.
Ooh, that made my head feel warm.
Many times.
Playing all sorts of sports. You hear a crack? I'm gonna let it keep coming more, more. Nice.
That was great.
Feels like we're grappling, right?
Mm-hmm.
I think there's another layer. And and I'm gonna roll your hips towards me to release your lower back. It's already popping. Did you hear it? Got it. Got it.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Work. Actually better.
Hold on. Squeeze.
Oh.
That was both. 1, 2.
Yeah.
You're okay. Good. Done.
3-2. Walk out the rotation.
Oh my god.
Nice. Good. Right there. Oh, that was nice. Good. Let this fall. Nice.
Okay, take a deep breath in and out.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Gentle. There it is, right there. Good. One more time, deep breath in and exhale out.
लंबा सांस लेंगे आप छोड़ेंगे सांस लंबा सांस
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ooh, that was nice. Oh my.
Perfect.
This feels so weirdly good.
What's that shoulder drop from me? Here we go. Same thing here.
I'm ready.
Okay. Got it. It's already going. Did you hear pop?
Oh yeah.
All right. Relax.
Oh.
Just relax. This side doesn't go also the C1 and C2 also.
Oh.
Relax.
Breathe out.
I'm gonna do a little pressure into the side of the hip here. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
So y'all still have to get the apparel for the festival clothes today. I think I'm just gonna have myself, and then I have a totem that's got like a, it's like a 15 foot,
yeah.
it's like a 15-foot pole.